Hi everyone. This video will guide you on extracting files and folders without mounting an ISO image on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. ISO is a popular format for distributing an operating system. Some people also prefer to convert a large folder to an ISO image to store it securely on their PC. Also, we can only play some games when their CD is mounted on our PC. For that, we create an ISO image file and mount them virtually so that there is no need to insert the game CD into our computer. Basically, to view the content of an ISO file, we need to mount them to a virtual drive. Suppose you have created an ISO image for 8 GB of the folder where there are so many files available, and you want to edit a single file. In such a situation, there is no need to mount the ISO file and then copy files from there. Simply, you can extract a single file without actually mounting the ISO to a virtual CD or DVD-ROM. Situations may be any, but the whole thing is that you need to extract the content of the ISO file. In this Garip Windows post, we will guide you with ISO Opener software that can extract the contents of an ISO file without actually mounting them. About ISO Opener. ISO Opener is a freeware tool that helps extract ISO files. This ISO extractor directly extracts all files and folders from the disk image file, so you do not need a virtual CD-ROM and no need to burn DVDs/CDs. Just use this program and you can easily access the contents of the ISO image file. This application is less than 1 MB in size and works well on all Windows operating systems, including Windows 11, 10, 8/8.1, 7, Vista, and WinXP. How to use ISO Opener. To use the ISO Opener software, first, download it from its official website. You can find the download link in this video description. Then, install it on your PC. Once the installation is completed, run the software. Choose an ISO file from your PC. And then specify an output folder. Click on the Extract button to start extracting files. Please note that there should have enough space left in the output directory. The required disk space size is approximately the same as the ISO file that you specified. If the disk space is not enough, the extraction operation will be terminated. Further, if the ISO file contains the folder, the software will automatically create a corresponding folder. Finally, once the file extraction is completed, this software will prompt the total number of extracted files and folders and the total output file size. One should note that this software can open and extract most of the standard ISO files, such as ISO 9660 format, but sometimes it may not open specially formatted ISO files, as some game CD, DVD ISO files. Bye. See you in the next video.